Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to add a timer or time limit on Google Forms. This is our Google Form. Okay, click three dot option, click add-ons and type timer for Google Forms and search. Select these add-ons and install. Then we will find this add-ons option. Click on it. Timer for Google Forms. Open. Okay. This is time duration. When this form will open, then time count will be start. We will add 2 hours 10 minutes. You can explain from this your question paper and copy this link. We will paste this link another browser. Paste. Timer. Start. This time count is start. Therefore, thank you viewers. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.